this is a disease which is very much neglected. This is not a new disease. This is a disease which has come from 3,000 years ago. And India is one of the countries which is facing this type of menace of dog bites. See, once a person is bitten by a stray dog, we do not know which is a stray dog or which is a good dog. So once a person has been bitten, there is always anxiety in the minds of the people, saying that when he will die. And this is a person who suffers from rabies, is suffering from such a death. So it's a very really pitiful situation. We do not think this thing, but this is a very serious issue.
With awareness, the government can make it as a notifiable disease. Even with all this death, until today, the disease is not notifiable. Government of India should come out to notify this disease. Only by awareness we can do that one. That is why we are asking you to make it awareness everywhere. All the community, all the children, they should know that this is dangerous disease. We can prevent it, we can avoid it. If the dog population is under control, the rabies will be under control. So all these things we have to tell them.
All dogs which are owned by people have to have a license. The license fee is rupees 1,000. For dogs which are sterilized, the license fee is 100 rupees only. Now in our shelters, when people come with the dogs, pet dogs, to sterilize them, we are imposing the fee of 100 rupees. But for dogs which are not sterilized, particularly the breed dogs, there is no collection of the license fee of 1,000 rupees. So we don't know how many people are having unsterilized dogs which are still producing puppies on the roads, and there is no fee being charged to them. The Chief Office of the Municipal Council has said that this Municipal Council will start enforcing these pet dog rules, so that MORMUGAO Municipal Council becomes the first area which is having a control of the stray dogs in addition to having them vaccinated against rabies.